Hey everyone, are you planning to downgrade iOS? Either it is a signed or unsigned iOS on any iPhone device. We will see live in this tutorial a step by step with real demonstration. Firstly with signed iOS. Second, unsigned iOS. Also if you would like to approach then how would I do that? Some little bit, especially a status we will have to change from signed to unsigned when we would like to especially install on any iPhone. So firstly we will check it out manually, and if manually is not recommending, then the further we'll go for. So tap on a setting guys. Setting to, of course, we will come to general to, we will have to click on a software update, and here we can see 26.3 iOS, and that is beta latest updated. So don't worry, by deliberately or mistakenly you have updated, don't worry, according to your own choice, without losing any data you can downgrade it. So we'll go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, connect to data cable, and thereupon, of course, here simply we will have to click on a smart flash. In a smart flash, there is a specially click on a refresh, connect to your data cables, and if your iPhone is already connected, then we can see here is a specially choice that is only one from, so 26.2, sorry, 26.3 beta 2 iOS to, especially we can reach on a 26.3 beta 1 iOS, that is a signed versions, and this is also signed version, that 26.2 beta version that we can here. So either we can download directly, and of course we can import it here directly. But here we will have to select that is the retain user data. Don't select the quick flash mode, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fixed flash. Here we will have to select the retain user data. Spontaneously click on a for unsigned iOS. Unsigned iOS, if you would like to have, so then first and foremost we will have to come to toolbox to click on here software, especially that this ones. Yes, we will have to send these files to a stop update configuration, and then we'll do it. Okay, now see notification the cam on a special device. Now once again we will come in here, and now here we can see this is signed, and after that these all are unsigned. So we would like to come with the 18.6 and the etc, or you be planning to add the jailbreaks iOS, so that easily we can bypass, or of course we can turn off Find My Devices spontaneously. You can unlock lock toner, cloud activation, lock links, and then we will click on a jailbreaks. Jailbreaks is the latest iOS, and that is a 16.5. Easily we can jailbreaks, and further we would like to come with the 18 iOS, 16 iOS, or maybe 17 iOS, and that's your own choice. Here we would like to come with the 18.6 iOS, so directly we can download here. So now we can see here it has started to downloads. We will come on a taskbar, and we can see here it has started to download. Little bit it's right now slow server because of it's asking a 10 minutes. So let it download it. Now we will come with this iOS on. Then how would I especially, it's taking a little bit time, so let's have as a especially fix the demo here. See guys, this iOS we will click on a easy flash. There is options to directly import without verification. So we will select the retain user data, and the here suppose as a demo here we will import. So suppose we have a here that is a, we would like to jailbreak, so we would like to come with the 16.7.2. So it's easy to especially jailbreaks how it is shows, because similar versions we can see especially on here that we can click on a jailbreaks, and there is options that 16.5 or something. So this iOS can be a jailbroken, of course. So here what we will do guys, we will click on a easy, and without verification it has been imported. So here this one's directly here, don't backups, just directly hit this one, and quickly it will be started to especially, yes, come with this iOS from 26.3 to 20, sorry, 16.7.7 iOS on a without losing any data. If you select the retain user data guys, so it's taking a time here, otherwise with live I would like to I would be demonstrating. So this is all about, but similar strategy you can do it easily. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, drop the query in the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to the reply. So thank you very much indeed.